YouTube fam, what's up? This ain't Southern California. I can't even believe we're here. If you can guess where this is, I'll give you 10 points. We're at the goat farm. We're at Ricky Carmichael's ranch. This is absolutely, never thought I'd be able to get to ride here, but we're on location for the 2023 Yamaha YZ450F intro. This is now Star Racing's ranch. So they bought it from Ricky Carmichael a few years ago. And yeah, they've renovated the place. There's a race shop. We got to do a tour earlier today. I'll try to drop some videos of that in here. I'm the do everything guy today. I got the camera, I got the phone out. I mean, check this track out, guys. Look at this. Just like full supercross track. There's a supercross track over here. There's a national track. So today's Monday. It's a hard day to be at work, you know. This is a hard Monday at work. But yeah, so today's Monday. We're gonna ride tomorrow. Today was just technical briefing and shooting photos of the bike, which we just wrapped up. Bike's amazing. There's a lot of new changes to it. It's an all new generation, all new design, new frame, new engine, new bodywork. It's a lot different. Yeah, it's a faster engine in a lighter package, so it should be all good. Should be a lot of good benefits. I'm excited to go ride this thing. We got Matt Cerami, who's one of my buddies. He's a pro level rider in SoCal, so he'll have a different opinion than I will. More of an intermediate level rider, but I'm really excited to get on this thing, ride at the freaking goat farm. So stoked. All right, see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna get some laps in. All right, what is up, YouTube? I'm so excited about this video. We're at the goat farm riding the 2023 Yamaha YZ450F. This bike is all new. We've done about a couple motos. They just watered the track. It should be pretty good right now. Let's go take a couple laps. Jumping this thing, it's a little sketchy today. Woo! Should have doubled that.